Hey guys, I just wanted to show you a little bit of footage when I went out thrifting today. Look at those cats. Those are real cats. They are part of Twice Around Thrift. It was very crowded, so I don't have a lot of footage, but there's a cute angel. I don't think I ended up getting any of these figurines, but there is a haul coming, so stay tuned for the haul. They had a whole shelf of Boyd's Bears, I think. No, Dreamsicles, I do believe. Does anybody know who that is? Is that Aladdin? He's cute. I did not get him, though. I had never seen him before. Yeah, there's the Dreamsicles for you. And I apologize. I was in someone's way. I kept trying to move. There were just a ton of angels. And look at him. He was cool, too. I think he was priced a little bit too high for me to resell, but yeah, very cool. This is my favorite place to thrift. Oh, this set was amazing. I was trying to find the artist name, but I couldn't quite make it out. The studio pottery awesomeness. Hello friends and hello fellow vintage lovers. I just got back from a couple of local thrift shops and I wanted to do a quick haul so you guys can see them. These items will be available in my upcoming sales. I do have one tomorrow, which is Saturday the 18th. That is at noon Central on my channel. Then on Tuesday, I have another live sale. This one will be on Sabrina's channel. Simon Says, Let's Make a Deal. So make sure you are subscribed to her. That is our Tuesday night late sale. And that is at 10 Eastern, 9 p.m. Central Standard Time. I am not sure if I'm going to have a jewelry sale this coming Monday. It may be postponed again to Thursday. We'll just see. We're expecting some pretty crazy weather here in Texas, and I know a lot of people are. But I'm going to have to play that by ear because they're predicting snow and all sorts of madness. So we'll see about that. In order to keep you posted on everything, I do post information on my community page. So make sure you check that out as well. I try to keep you guys updated as much as I can, but hopefully the snow won't happen and I'll be able to do my jewelry sale on Monday like I normally do. Okay guys, so like I said, these items are from local thrift shops. I did insert a little bit of footage. Those kitties are so cute. Okay, without any further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and get started. Now I did pick up a couple of children's books. This one is not vintage, but it is so cute. I'm not gonna take it out and show you the pictures, but it is one of the sweetest books I have seen in a while. It's so cute. Then back here is The Littlest Angel. This book is vintage. This is a 1960s printing. I love this one as well. I've read them both and they're wonderful. So I got two books. I picked up some glass and I was super excited about it. Look at this art glass cat. I haven't researched him. I don't know if he's Murano. He's probably not, but he does have a clear pontil there on the bottom. He is amazing. So he has stripes, he has spots, and look at the face. He is incredible. So he's kind of a bigger piece. He's in wonderful condition. There's no damage on him. Let me show you the back. Is this not fantastic? I love this kitty. Next to that is this piece of spode. I picked this up because it was black and white. I love black and white ceramics and porcelain, and I thought this was amazing. This is The Girl in the Wells, or Girl at Well, I'm sorry. And this is first introduced in 1822. Isn't it cool that they reproduce this from a hand-engraved copper plate? I mean, wow. So it is in wonderful condition. I have the saucer turned the wrong way, but look at it. Look at the inside. This teacup and saucer is wonderful. I love it. Behind it is this wooden Celtic cross. I just love anything Celtic. I love Celtic knots, and I thought this was a wonderful piece. I'm probably going to go ahead and polish this one. It is a little bit dusty. Then here I got 2 pieces of blue glass, and this is a beautiful piece. When I looked this one up, it said that this was from Mexico. I'm not 100% sure. I'm going to do a little bit more research. I'm assuming this is some sort of candle holder. Here is the bottom. It is beautiful. Look at that swirl. And then next to it is this gorgeous Ellie Smith. This is flash glass. And guys, I didn't realize it. It is really dark out. So we're about to get a cold front here, and it's very cloudy, and that's why I went out. I wanted to have some new things to show you guys next week if I do get snowed in for a few days. So anyway, I did not notice when I picked it up that some of the flash is missing. That happens a lot with these. It is still beautiful, and honestly, can you see it? Not really until I point it out. But yeah, that was a little mistake I made by not looking at it a little bit closer. I was just excited to find it. Of course, I felt it, made sure there were no chips or cracks, but I failed to notice the flashing. You know, it happens. It happens. Okay, back here, before we get to the smaller stuff, I want to show you this vase. This is a gorgeous purple vase. So I learned something new, which if you follow my channel for a while, you know I love learning. This is a limited edition Princess Diana charity piece. I was shocked. I had no idea that her organization was producing glass. This piece is beautiful. It is the most gorgeous shade of purple. There is no damage on it. It's stunning. It does have a clear base there, but guys, this is beautiful. And of course, I remembered that purple is her favorite color. When I looked at it, I was like, oh, that makes sense. It does, right? I picked up these 2 little shamrocks. Now, I don't know if these are little candle holders, probably a little candy dish, maybe even an ashtray. I don't know, but I never find vintage items for St. Patrick's Day, so I was really excited to find them. There were only 2. There's a clear one, and this one has a gold trim. I don't know who makes these, but they're adorable. No chips or cracks on them as well. Then back here for Valentine's Day, I picked up this beautiful art glass vase. It has some modeling. It is really pretty. No information on this one either, but it is beautiful. I love that so much. Then I picked up this hand. I mean, I think a lot of us are obsessed with hands. And this is for a jewelry stand, but I thought it was really, or it is to hold jewelry. Blech. But I thought it'd be cool to have in a Valentine's display as well. It's this hot pink, and it's fabulous. Then this, speaking of not being able to find stuff, I rarely find anything for Valentine's Day. This is a vintage Valentine's cat. It is so cute. There we go. Look at this, and he's got a little mouse in this candy box. I mean, how cute is this? I love it. No damage on that cutie. Back here, it's going to be a little bit hard to see. I picked up this candle holder. It is, it's metal, and it's made to look like a weather vane. It's got the horse on it, which of course I was drawn to. Then back here is a cast iron cocapelli. It is a hook, and it's amazing. Okay, let me show you some of the jewelry. I am going to zoom in for the jewelry pieces. Okay, so I got some Valentine's Day jewelry. I dug. I did a lot of digging today. The first is this brooch. So this is definitely an older brooch. And is it marked? I think I just saw a marking. I think it's probably Hallmark. Oh, it's going to be really hard to see. I'll try to put it in the comments. Not in the comments. I will put it in the video. I'll add what this is. But how cute is that? Then I got this Snoopy brooch. How cute is Snoopy? This one is definitely Hallmark. I did see the marking on there. Then this. I hope you guys can see this. I had trouble getting it to focus. There we go. This is an original brooch from E.T., the movie. Look at his little finger. Phone home. Is that not the cutest, y'all? And it is marked Universal Studios. I thought this was so cute. vintage and adorable. Then I got this. So like I just said, I rarely find anything St. Patrick's Day. This brooch is amazing. This is an older brooch as well. I may end up keeping this one, guys. I haven't haven't decided yet. There's two more brooches that I'm probably keeping as well that I'll get to here in just a second. You know I like to show you everything. Then I picked this up. This I got from the local shop where I get some handmade jewelry. And this is not handmade, she said, but look at it. Look at these cassettes with All You Need Is Love for Valentine's Day. I got a pair of these for my niece, and I thought somebody else might appreciate these. They're so cute. I love them. Then look at this butterfly. Look at this gorgeous mesh butterfly. You have some beads or faux pearls there in the center. Whenever I see these, they are not in good condition. This one is phenomenal. I love it. It is so pretty. Then over here, I didn't show this, but this is an asymmetrical silver tone heart necklace. I just thought it was perfect for Valentine's Day, so I went ahead and grabbed that. Then I picked up some other jewelry. This has some glass, and I just thought the colors were pretty. I just love amber. Really nice necklace, and this one is phenomenal. So this is a stone necklace, and it is 3-layer. It has all these amazing stones on it. I haven't tested anything or tried to figure out what the stones are yet. I just put them on the bust, or put it on the bust. It's one necklace. Isn't that phenomenal? I love it. Then I got this. So this is a choker. This is beautiful. This is a faux pearl and faux, that might be glass. It's really cold in here, so I can't tell for sure. Choker, look at this. It is beautiful. Gorgeous, gorgeous. I'm going to put it back on here and show you what else I got. So I got these cufflinks because, guys, look, these are Rivoli. Oh, look at that. Amazing. Rivoli, watermelon. I don't think they were marked, but these are great and do have some value just for the stones themselves. I mean, my goodness. Okay, then I got this pair of wooden elephant earrings. These I will likely polish as well. There is no damage. That is how the trunk is meant to look. They're so cute. I love these so much. Then let me show you what I'm probably keeping. So I do collect a lot of Native American pieces, and this little hand beaded brooch, oh my gosh, y'all, she is so cute. I will probably be keeping her. She also stands up, which I think is fabulous. Is she not adorable? Then check this out. So this is really old. Look at this beaded leather brooch or pin. Look at the moccasins. It shows the age there on the back. I mean, just incredible and so, so cute. And then the last thing I got, these are modern, but I thought they were so cute. I have a friend who's a librarian. She doesn't wear much jewelry, so I'll probably be selling these. I just thought they were really, really cute. Then I picked this up, green, for St. Patrick's Day. I believe this is just like a faux jade, but I loved, let's see if I can get this down. I love this purple, this green enameling. It's beautiful. It's in great vintage condition. So yeah. So did I show it all? I didn't. I didn't show this adorable articulated bird brooch. So there's a bird in the birdhouse here. It does move. Oh, it's so cute. Or is it? You know what? This is a clock. Duh. This is a birdhouse clock, and the bird does move. My hands are just frozen. There you go. So cute. And I don't think this one was marked. Yeah, no marking on that. Okay, I showed everything in 13 minutes. I'm trying to be faster on these hauls. So let me know what your favorite item is. And I hope to see you this weekend. Continued prayers for everyone affected by the wildfires in California. It breaks my heart. I know it does everyone's heart, but I have to mention it. I feel so lucky this week. Just seeing what others are going through. So I hope to see you tomorrow for the Saturday sale and Tuesday for that sale. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Have a wonderful Friday. Bye.